he's literally deformed. Mukha na siyang monster and he still died like a man. No special effects. He didn't flick away. He didn't poof into a fucking cloud. He just died.
He took a stick.
Yeah, he died. I mean, sure nga, namatay nga siya kasi pinugutan yung ulo niya eh. Pinugot yung ulo niya eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang, I like how that detail was. And I like how, I don't like na damage siya, but like, I like how his character is very justified.
If he turned the other way around at the last minute,
I wouldn't be mad about it.
I wouldn't be mad about it, but anong difference niya kay Darth Vader?
I wouldn't be mad about it. I wouldn't
Because we all know
mind.
Darth Vader turned at the most convenient time.
Yeah. Okay,
He threw off the fucking Emperor down the fucking...
Yeah. The spoiler! Guys, sorry. Pero ilang dekada na yun. Alam niyo dapat yun.
Yeah.
Henry and Vecna. What are we putting him
A lang sa akin. A pa rin si Henry for me kasi I enjoyed the ride of fleshing out his character. I like the layers. From Dr. Brenner to his childhood to the suddenly yung trauma niya pala doon niya pala nakuha yung mind flayer and yung powers niya, whatever.
What's keeping him from being S though?
Wala. Parang sa dulo, okay. Gets ko. He chose to be bad. That's it.
Ako, no. Okay. Hindi siya S for me kasi ang dali niya namatay.
Yun lang. Okay.
Yun yung S for me.
Yeah, okay. Ako, for me naman,
ang dali niya namatay.
It's just the fact na parang ang aga. Hindi naman ang aga. Parang walang bitin yung tension of the good and bad in him.
Kaya rin hindi na nila,
I would have appreciated it sana. If yung arc na yun, parang in-extend nila a bit dun sa final battle. And like, there was a resistance kay Vecna for the last time with against the mind flayer. Tapos at the very end, wala he's fully corrupted.
Yeah, that's a good angle, yeah.
Wala parang ang aga kasi na parang, no, we are one, whatever. Tapos towards the end, wala, ganun lang siya. Namatay lang siya ng ganun.
Yeah.
Pero, wala na.
I think narratively, that's okay with me. Okay lang
narratively, it's okay. But it would have been better if may tension pa rin at the last moment. And then, he just chose to be bad.
I agree. Yeah. It would have been nice also. Ako, ang main issue ko is...
Tapos madadagdagan pa yung, depth ng mind flayer if that happened.
Yun nga. Speaking of nga, parang for me, ang bitin talaga.
Wala.
Parang guys...
Parang the mind flayer became this creature, this giant spider. That's it.
Parang there's a lot of development for Henry to be... Henry /Vecna/1 to be a formidable opponent, a formidable villain. And then namatay lang siya in 5 minutes.
Yun yung issue niya. Ako, it's really with the... But walang tension, not yan.
Yeah. So, Henry, Vecna, A.
A lang. Sayang S sana.
Okay. Main kids.
Okay, main
Lucas. Kids. Lucas first.
A ako.
A? Nah, bro.
B.
B.
Yeah, B. Wala siyang ginawa. Just because wala siyang ginawa. And we said many things about him.
B. He had a lot going on with season 1 and season 2 kasi siya yung sumbong ko kayo eh. Or di ka di ka sumusunod sa rules eh. Di ba siya yung couple ng season 1 and season 2?
Yeah.
But season 3, season 4, season 5, parang just there.
Nag-dry out yung character niya. Sobrang static.
Just there, bro. Parang there's
again,
his character needs Max eh. To be relevant.
Tawag dito, naging very static yung character niya.
Oo. Parang is so, wala, parang, I don't mind
parang wala na siyang other conflict later on the series than Max.
I don't mind being static, but I want, parang if static ka, parang babawi ka sana sa memorable shit. I mean, gets?
Even a memorable combat, whatever.
Yeah. Okay.
Next.
So wala B. I don't even mind putting him at C.
No, B lang for me.
Really? Is it better than...
Come on!
Is he as good as Jonathan and Erica?
Yung ano lang niya. Just think of his commitment and not giving up spirit.
Okay, fine. Maybe I'm a Lucas hater.
So do you hate yourself?
Ay, S na pala? Charot. Okay. B.
Mike.
No, later. Max first.
Really?
Max is S.
Max
I
is
love
S, definitely.
Max. Yeah,
I
yes.
like her character. And I like her character kasi ang mature nung character niya.
And she's grown
Not
a
because
lot.
she's like me, but ayun nga, ang mature nung character
She
niya.
grew a lot, girl. Parang she's
Dahil yung
been
problema niya, hindi pa bata.
she's been pessimistic the whole show up until what happened in season 4 na
And I'm also
she's fighting for life na.
I'm waiting for that.
And I'm rooting for Max talaga. And yeah. S. Easy S.
Yes. Okay, next.
Dustin. S.
Love Dustin.
Is it an S though?
No, ano lang. Siguro at most A lang. I wouldn't put Dustin in S.
Okay. Interesting sa akin yung ano ba? Ano siya static na hindi.
Static siya for the most of it. And then season 5 came. Oh, we're seeing...
Walang gray kay Dustin eh. It's always...
We're seeing a new or like a variant of Dustin.
Pero you never guess his intentions. Parang what you see is what you get with him.
Yes.
Parang there's no...
Kaya nga siya kupal.
Walang internal struggle na nakikita. Parang yung struggle niya, nilalabas niya rin eh. Parang...
Correct.
He's dealing with the grief of Eddie. And in that way, nagungupal siya ng ibang tao, kupal siya in general.
Gets ko naman yung grief niya with Eddie, pero sa season 5 talaga, kupal na kupal ako sa kanya. Parang,
yeah.
Ano ba?
Totoo. So, I'm okay with giving him A.
Yeah, A for me.
Dami nating A.
A kasi...
Can we put Robin down to B?
Nah, she's staying in A.
Really? Parang hindi naman ganun ka-complex yung character niya compared to the... Bababa ako. Sorry, guys.
I like Robin.
I like Robin also.
Okay.
Okay. Proceed. Mike. Sige. This one's a hard one for me. Season 1, Mike. Season 2, Mike.
I'm not
Were really good.
I'm not a fan of Mike.
Really good Mikes ang season 1 and season 2.
I'm not a fan of Mike.
Siguro kasi fresh pa siya from the It movies.
Probably.
Sobrang galing niya umakting season 1, season 2.
Probably.
Season 3, Mike.
No, don't think season 1, season 2. Just think of Mike and the whole of it. Like we did on the other characters.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to process it kasi. Season 3, Mike, bad. Season 4, Mike, bad.
Bad, bro.
Season 5, Mike, is a glow up. Glow up for me, pero ano ba eh?
I'm putting Mike in A.
No, I'm putting Mike. I want him to put it. I'm
putting him in A.
A lang. A ba? A pa? I want him B, actually.
Ah, really?
He's kind of like Lucas eh. Parang, siguro,
bagay, pwede rin naman. But,
okay, ganito kasi yan. Isipin mo na lang ganito.
But he's smart.
He's better than B people, but he's not as good as the A people.
Yeah, correct.
Kasi
I will put him
Mike is a
B.
leader. He's always been the leader of the group. But at the same time, much of his motivations and shit is always centered around 11.
Hindi, tsaka, Mike is a boy.
Oo, in that sense.
Yun nga, I suddenly remember why I'm not a fan of Mike. He's a boy.
Sa, parang for me...
Ang immature niya, be!
For me, mas importante sa kanya
tsaka, not understanding and not being able to differentiate relationships.
Oo, yun din. Para pangit din siyang boyfriend.
Dude, the fuck?
Sobrang
Can you not think?
Sobrang kupal niya season 4.
Epitome siya ng boys. As in...
Is a boy.
Yeah.
Kaya yun din.
That's why I'm putting Steve in A and in S.
No, A lang si Steve.
Okay.
Oh, wait. I am not... Yeah, he's worse than A people. He's better than B people. Yeah, just put him at B kasi he's not enough.
Mas gusto ko pa nga si Robin sa kanya.
Yeah, but he's not enough to go at... Yeah, kung mas gusto mo si Robin sa kanya, he's definitely B then. Kasi Yeah, that's the tier for
I
him.
wanted Robin A nga eh. But okay.
Nah, no. Okay,
I'm not a fan
Will.
of Will.
Fuck you. Really?
I'm not a fan of Will.
He's S, bro.
Okay, go put him in S.
No
And
way.
I know a lot of
You don't like him,
people.
pero
I know a
what?
lot. I
What?
understand that people likes Will and his character.
Ah, ah.
I'm a fan of strong people, guys.
Didn't he became strong in season 5,
Yes,
figuratively and
but he
literally?
was always so fucking scared.
Yeah,
And
that's his
he's
whole
always
art, though.
yeah, I know, but I'm ranking the characters.
Yeah, and part of it is the arc. You didn't like his arc, turning from scared to like becoming brave and coming out.
Nah.
Really?
I'm not a fan of Will.
So,
He's just ano be, parang to me kasi lagi na lang siya nagda-trail behind, whatever. And I mean, gets ko naman that, and
nah.
I know a lot of people will like his character kasi sa dulo parang,
Okay.
really? This boy, ganyan, becoming this powerful and harnessing this power in him, blah, blah, blah. Like,
A hot take you got there. Oh, you don't like Will.
maybe I'm just scared of that kind of arcs.
Okay, fine. Objectively, narratively,
yeah,
he's
good.
S.
Yeah, objectively, yeah. But ayun lang, I'm not a fan of Will.
Okay, personal opinion mo lang yan.
Yeah.
Pero still, put him at S or A?
Go.
Put him in at S. Bala ka dyan.
Okay.
Okay, next. Yung Thunders muna, Joyce and Hopper. Nalimutan natin.
I will put
Joyce!
Joyce in A.
Joyce in A, Hopper in S.
Hopper definitely in S, bro.
Yeah. Hopper S.
Can you imagine that? Mas fan pa ako ni Hopper kasi ni Will.
Joyce is A.
Joyce is
Kasi
A.
wala,
Just
parang hindi naman
because-
nagbago yung character niya eh.
Hindi, tsaka kudos to her, for not giving up. Not
Yeah,
one
that's
bit.
that's her main arc. She's always been the one to never give up. And kapag may sinabi si Joyce sa'yo, makinig ka. It's probably true.
Even Hopper listens to her.
So, pero si Hopper, mas morally complex sa akin kasi
Masisaw si
kupal siya
Hopper.
nung una.
Masisaw si Hopper.
Overprotective siyang tatay.
And not because I have father issues, whatever. But
But,
we're seeing a person who went through so much and who found life after, I don't know, after horrors, diba? After
Yeah.
the war, whatever. He pursued life. He pursued happiness. But
Yeah.
then shit happened. And he felt so guilty for it. And then L happened.
yes.
And then Joyce happened.
Yes.
Diba? So, yeah.
Okay. And, yeah, wala. Parang with Hopper, ayun nga.
If there's
Dami yung
anyone,
pinagdaanan.
yeah, if there's anyone in Stranger Things that I wanted happiness, it's Hopper. If I want something to not die, it's probably Hopper, but also Steve.
Yeah.
Because like, they became good people kasi. Ayun, feeling ko kasi yun. They became good people.
Hopper for me yung pinakamalaking character development eh.
Yeah. Eh, Steve naman for me yung simplest. But it's just
So,
pretty kasi it's simple.
Yeah. Okay. Last person.
Last person,
11.
of course, 11. Will you put her in S?
Okay. This is
Ako, I will. I will, kasi, come on, she was practically, ang tawag dun? She's a mutated baby. Di naman, but, ayun, she's altered as a person.
Yeah. Altered person.
Yan, basta, yan, there's something different in her, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
And objectively, different siya. And
Yeah.
then, ayun nga, feeling ko yung whole arc ng character niya is centered around, she's a person, but yung mission niya as a person is to realize how to become a person.
Yeah. I agree. Parang thematically, she's been through with it, parang her character has always been through.
I'm mean, she's not the best one. I mean, hindi siya yung pinakamabait, whatever. She's also not the smartest one.
I think, siguro if, paano ba?
I like 11.
I think, yeah, sa akin si 11, she's not A. She's like better than A people.
Ako, there's no
Yeah,
S, A, B?
no,
No, she's S.
yeah, she's S. Okay.
Parang sila similar sila ng conflict ni Max. Only mas, I don't know, mas realistic yung kay Max.
Okay, yeah. Gets.
Similar sila ng conflict ni Max. Yun. But, mas realistic and mas grounded yung kay Max. Kasi, wala, it happens in reality. And yung si 11, it happens in reality, yeah, but, figuratively.
Yeah. Okay. So that's our tier list.
Yeah.
Recap.
I wouldn't want Will in
wait,
S, but okay.
let's put Kali. Let's put Kali in
I don't like
D.
Kali. No.
Let's put
Panggulo
Kali
lang.
in D.
Panggulo lang siya sa mentals ni